Some of my viewers have requested a follow-up as to how this would turn out, and the results have been pretty good for me. The Malawi Peppadew pepper has been very cold tolerant and has gone quite a ways. It has finally had enough of the weather and it's done, but it's had a long life, and it has been the best performing cold weather pepper that I've had. This particular setup is probably done a little bit better than what we would normally see because it has a large volume of water. It uses non-circulating hydroponics. It has a black cover to help pull in solar heat. But when the temperatures plummet into the 20s and just stay there relentlessly, cold, icy rains, it's just way too much for any of the warm season pepper plants to take. So, just in summary, this is going to be a nice method for setting up for season extension, the combination of a cold hardy plant along with some form of heat bank, like the large volume of water in that 27-gallon tote. So it's a good method, and I would recommend it for anybody else who might want to approach a little bit of season extension. The results, of course, probably could have been a little bit farther into the winter maybe, but most likely not. You'll notice that I've got a small greenhouse over here too, and the greenhouse does offer me some additional heat protection as well as protection from the snow. What I'm going to tell you though is that at nighttime the temperature within the greenhouse without supplemental heat does plummet also. It does stay probably 1 to 5 degrees warmer during the early fall, but once you get into deep winter it equalizes with the outdoor temperatures, and so it too will not be enough to survive into wintertime.